Hello everyone, today is January 17th and this video is just for freshmen. This is the instructions on how to request your courses in Skyward for next school year. So the purpose of this presentation is to provide you with the information you need to request your classes through Skyward for next school year. If you do not request your classes on your own, they will be chosen for you. You need to request courses so that the school knows what classes you want to take, so we can make sure we offer classes you are requesting. So when and where? We're down here. You are the class of 2027. You're the freshman. And between January 19th and January 24th, you will be able to request courses in Skyward. Then on January 29th and 30th, the freshmen will be able to meet together with your counselors. So again, January 29th and 30th, you'll be meeting with the counselors. Where to go? So on January 29th, if your English class is during periods 5, 6, or 7, you will go to the cafeteria to meet with your counselor. On January 30th, if your English class is during periods 1, 2, 3, or 4, that is when you will meet with your counselor. Periods 1, 2, and 3 will go to the cafeteria. And period 4, if your last name is at the beginning half of the alphabet, A through MOO, you will meet with your counselor in the BPAC lobby. If your last name is at the end of the alphabet, MOP through Z, you will go to the library to meet with Mrs. Murphy-Flynn or Miss Stone. So why do we do this? And this is your opportunity to choose the classes that will benefit and interest you the most. Every Moline High School student needs 21 and a half credits to graduate, and each semester class is considered a half of a credit. These classes are a combination of required core subjects and electives. Planning ahead will help you accomplish your goals when you leave Moline High School. So this is just kind of an overview of graduation requirements. You need 4 years of English, 3 years of math, 3 years of social studies, and so on and so forth. This top column right here shows you what the Moline High School requirements are. And then if you're planning on going to a 2 or a 4-year college, these are what we recommend that you take. You can use the graduation requirement tab in your Skyward account to see how many requirements you have and what you have left to take. So the link on this Google slide, which by the way, these Google slides are also available in your Google Classroom, and this Google slide presentation is also available as a link on the Moline High School Counselor website page. You can get to the course catalog, which is a great way to explore your options. This other link right here is an elective spreadsheet. So it's a spreadsheet that shows you all the different electives that are available and what grade you have to be in to take them and all that good stuff. When you open up your scheduler in Skyward, you will see that some courses are already preloaded, and these are the courses that your current teachers have recommended you take for next year. Some new courses coming for next school year that you'll get to choose from. There is a class called Home Maintenance, and that will be for all grades. There's a Computer Basics class in the business department. There will be an Honors Algebra 1 class that's for freshmen, but you guys don't have that one. When you are juniors, you will have an opportunity to take AP Pre-Calculus, which is replacing Pre-Calculus. What else is available? There is marching band that will take place of PE, but you have to already be in marching band. So we're getting that list from Mr. Morton, and that is all that's available to you guys. So some courses require a little bit more steps. So the Blackhawk College English courses, there will be a lot of information coming out if you end up taking dual credit your junior and senior year. There's also dual enrollment. So the difference between dual credit and dual enrollment is that dual credit means that you are taking a class here at Moline High School and also earning credit at Blackhawk College. Dual enrollment means that you're taking a class at a college, for example, Western or Blackhawk, and then you're earning the credit for high school also. That is a conversation to have with your counselor if you plan on doing something like that. The Area Career Center. You guys are all freshmen going into sophomore year, so you are not eligible to take Area Career Center classes, but you can definitely check out the link for more information for what's coming up for your junior and senior year. All right, some things to keep in mind. You're only going to be able to register for 6 credits in Skyward, 6 even numbers and 6 odd number classes for a total of 12 classes. And you will also need to pick 4 alternate classes, 2 for first semester and 2 for second semester. If you plan on taking 7 classes next year, your counselor has to manually add the 7th class, and you have to be in band or choir, a world language, or an engineering courses. Do not request classes you've already taken unless they can be repeated. So band and choir are classes that can be repeated for the same credit or for more credit. The big thing is do not request a class more than once. You need to request different classes. So for example, if you request foods in your regular requesting of classes, don't also request that in your alternate. Requesting it more than once is not going to give you a better chance of getting into that class. We already know that you can only take it once, and if you request it in either your alternate or in your actual classes that you're requesting, we know that you want to take the class. This is a big one. Everybody asks about driver's ed. Remember that driver's ed is an elective class, and you have to request the class in order to take the class. You can't come next year and go, hey, I want to be in driver's ed. You'll then get put at the bottom of the list. So you have to request it so we can go by your birthday. So your birthday has to fall before April 1st of 2009 to request for first semester, and your birthday must be before September 1st of 2009 to request for second semester. Another big piece of information that you need to know is that you have to pass 8 classes in the previous 2 semesters prior to taking the class. And that is an Illinois state law. That is not a Moline High School rule. It's truly the state of Illinois has that law in place. And again, we choose people based on birthday order. You have to request the class, and then we go by birthday order. Okay, current freshman right here. There is a course request sheet that is really helpful to use. I'll just go ahead and show you what it looks like because it's also located in the course catalog. So this is going to show you English, math, science, social studies, PE, and then your electives that you get to choose. And then also alternates. So lots of options of things to look through on there. Your request must be entered into Skyward by 4 p.m. on January 26th. So January 26th, you have to have them done. Okay, so now how do I do this? Here we go. You're going to log into your Skyward and you're going to click on schedule. Once you're in schedule, you're going to look up here over to the right-hand side and it will say request courses for, and this will say 24-25. Once you're in there, you're going to see available courses for the school year. And if you click on a course number, which the beginning letters represent the department that they're in, and then the numbers are the course number, it'll give you the information about that course. To select a course, you click on the class below the screen and then hit add course, and then the class will move from the left side to the right side. You can also come down here if you know the department you want to look up or anything like that. You can use the search down here. There's lots of different ways to get around in the courses. You repeat that step of moving the classes and adding the course until you have all your classes requested. Once you have selected all your coursework, you should be registered for 12 classes. You should have 6 classes that are odd, which are first semester, and 6 classes that are even numbered, so that'd be second semester. So an example right here, looking at this one, you want total requests scheduled to be 12 up here. So for example, we've got Help Desk 1 is requested all year long, BE 193 and BE 194, odd and even. College Prep Writing and Literature, EN 257 and EN 258, that takes up a whole year. Algebra 3 and Trig go together, so again, and 2 PEs. So I just want to kind of point out the odd and the even and make sure that you have a total of 12 requests, which would be 6 full year classes. Your very last step is you're going to go back up here and look over to the left where it's requesting courses. There's a button to click on that says request alternates. You are going to pick 2 for first semester and 2 for second semester. That's going to then, when you highlight them and hit add course, just like you did in the other one, they're going to be numbered over here 1, 2, 3, and 4. What that is number 1 is your top choice, number 4 is your bottom choice. If you can use these arrows to move them up and down to move what choices they are. But again, you're going to have 2 first semester and 2 second semester alternatives. All right, that is the end of this presentation. Just to kind of give you a heads up of how many students we have coming in next year, we have 589 juniors, 565 sophomores, 546 freshmen, and 509 eighth graders, for a total of 2,209 total schedules to get done for next school year. So that's why we start so early. We start requesting courses, getting you guys to tell us what courses you want so that we can build a schedule and get ready to get the schedules all completed before you come back for the 24-25 school year. All right, freshmen, take it easy. Good luck looking up your courses, and we will talk to you next week. Bye.